It was almost 6 months of being quarantined in the same place with the same people, and I desperately needed some change. Then one night I was trying to sleep and I suddenly got this idea, what if I do a room makeover? That's definitely some kind of change. Well, to this, my parents replied by saying that they don't trust me to paint my own room and we couldn't hire anyone because of the rising number of cases. So I had to wait for a few days, 2 months. So I just started scrolling on Pinterest and I made a board of what I wanted my room to look like, only if I gave this much time to my assignments. Anyway, so I couldn't wait for long and I started ordering stuff online and I started making small changes in my room. Okay, so today we need to remove this LED light that I had around my bookshelf, and then if you can see, it's like around my bookshelf and it goes all the way mirror pe. So yeah, today's task is removing this, and slowly I'm just removing different things from my room. Like I removed this TV also, and it looks so blur and empty, but it's gonna be fine. I have to empty my room, every little thing, Sara decor and all. I mean, I'm totally over it because मैंने ये room paint करवाया था and decorate करवाया था, I think 2-3 years ago. Nah, more than that. I don't remember, but बहुत time हो गया. And since then I've changed a lot. I think I know how I want my room to look. Otherwise तो कुछ भी मतलब कुछ भी क्या हुआ है मैंने इस room में, whatever I like I just get it and I keep it in my room. And yeah, I'm excited but I'm also a little nervous and sad. But ठीक है कोई नहीं, time to move on. Let's go. Let's pack everything. The moment I decided to do a room makeover, I exactly knew which color I wanted, but I was still a little confused about it because green is one color that I've never liked in my life, and suddenly I was in love with it. But it was a particular shade of green, so I really wanted ki exactly why shade I, and I am so happy that exactly वही शेड है जो मुझे चाहिए था, and it's not a phase. Now I really love this color. Guys, just unboxed all the cartons And look at this stuff. All this stuff will maybe go on this shelf. Not sure how, but let's see. I would also like to tell you guys that my mom was more excited than I was for this room transformation, and Mama, thank you so much मेरी इतनी help करने के लिए. मतलब it was really good to have someone by my side, and मेरी indecisiveness को काफ़ी help मिल गई क्योंकि आप indecision ले लेते थे. So thanks. Dude, I'm being so good with this room makeover. Like मैंने सारी pens पता है check करी हैं, and जो नहीं चल रही है, I'm throwing them out. This room makeover did not happen in only a week or 2 weeks. Nah, this took 3 months. Yeah, 3 months. Why, you ask? Because of my laziness, indecisiveness, and obviously our dear friend COVID. And during those 3 months, I went through a lot of phases, and clearly this day I was having a bad day and my brain wasn't functioning properly. So voiceover Khushbu will take over and just tell you what's happening. So I got these magnetic curtain tassels from Amazon. I got the brown color. They had other colors also. They weren't expensive and very, very good quality, and I love the pearl detailing. I really wanted to change the setting of my room, and it definitely took a lot of effort and मुझे काफ़ी सोचना पड़ा, but I think I love the setting now. Okay, so we'll ignore the mess because obviously my room's messy right now, but I shifted these 2 stools here, okay, and wall अभी भी वैसे ही है. I shifted my bed here, study table, bookshelf, yeah. अभी सारा like you know चीज़ें set करना बची हैं, but yeah, this is everything. What the heck? Look at this. Okay, so I got this set of white photo frames, right, from Flipkart, and it was like 10 frames for 800, I think. I think that's quite cheap if I'm considering it's 10 white photo frames, because individual pieces were quite expensive. And obviously, like, this is not glass, this is transparent sheet, but this, oh wait, nope, but this transparent sheet has these markings, and I thought maybe ये इस पे है, इस पेपर पे, और ये पेपर नहीं है, क्या ये transparent sheet, yes, whatever. But I thought निकल जाएगा, but no, it's still there. Obviously I can't have this now, right? Thankfully, I have a lot of transparent sheets at my place, so I guess I'll cut them this size and put them in my frame, but not good. Flipkart, not good. Like, what the heck? Just look at the mess I've made. But I have these cute photo frames now. So this area ओके, मेरी स्टडी टेबल के ऊपर वाला जो ये शेल्फ है, so I'm thinking that I'm liking this. Maybe it looks a little crazy right now, but it's just a few, like I have donated a lot of books from my bookshelf, and I kept a few of them, and I was thinking ki I can cover these. Okay, I chose these very beautiful colors, I'll show you, ठीक है? तो मैं इसे कवर कर सकती हूँ, एंड जो वो दोनों ब्लू वाला स्टफ है उसे मैं मे बी वाइट स्प्रे पेंट कर सकती हूँ समथिंग, एंड देन कुछ गोल्डन बना सकती हूँ बिकॉज दिस इज गोल्डन, एंड आई थिंक फिर ये बहुत प्रिटी लगेगा. बट द थिंग इज कि यहाँ पर आई हैव ब्लू एंड ब्लू, लाइक दिस ब्लू प्लेट इन दिस ब्लू लैम्प, एंड मेरा यहाँ पे काफ़ी लाइक नो मैटर व्हाट आई कैन नॉट गेट ब्लू आउट ऑफ माई लाइफ, बिकॉज एक बार मेरी लाइफ में ऐसा फेज था दैट ब्लू वॉज माई फेवरेट कलर एंड एवरीवन गिफ्टेड मी समथिंग ब्लू. सो या, but let's see, I think I'll still go with it and just hope that it looks good. Finally, my canvases got delivered, and my paints also got delivered, which I ordered from Itsy Bitsy, and I'll just open it with you all. Yeah, I got teal, which is blue color shade, and yeah, I know, blue again. And this plum orchid color, it's very pretty. I'll show you all this tomorrow properly, but I just wanted to unpack this with you all. And okay, so this one is just normal. मैंने अपने stationery shop से लिया है. This is actually acrylic pouring kit of Fevicryl. Okay, and इसमें I have all like pouring medium, yeah, and silicone oil something जिसके बारे में मुझे कुछ पता नहीं है. तभी मेरी friend Aditi कल आएगी and she'll help me do all of this because I don't trust myself. I'll ruin it and I don't want to ruin it. So yeah, and इसमें I have 3 colors, 2 white colors because मेरे को white base रखना है अपने canvas का, and one again this is also teal blue, but this is like a very lighter shade, and जो मैंने Itsy Bitsy से मंगवाया वो darker shade है. Yeah, so कल मैं ये fluid art करूँगी अपनी friend के साथ. You all will see, and please go follow her. She's an amazing artist. Okay, Artista is her page on Instagram again. So yeah, that's it, and I'll see you guys tomorrow with some satisfying fluid art videos. Hi, I'm back. Why am I back? Because I forgot to show you something else. I got this white spray paint. I don't know if I mentioned it earlier or not, but anyways, I had to spray paint this lantern. इसके बीच का ग्लास मैंने भी हटा के रख दिया, and this blue candle. I would like to say that I did a very shitty job painting them. Kind of, I mean, अभी दूसरा साइड बचा है बिकॉज इनका ये वाला ड्राई होगा तो इनका बैक साइड होगा, but this wasn't good, and now my room smells like spray paint काफी ज़्यादा, and I don't know how will I sleep. So was this a good decision on my part? I don't think so, but does it weirdly satisfy me that I did it? Yeah. Aditi says hi to all of you, and that day she taught me basics of fluid art, and we tried different techniques so that I could figure out what I wanted to do in the canvases for my room. After learning how how to do fluid art from Aditi Arora. Here we are, finally making the canvases. Woohoo! Finally! And let's see how they turn out. I think I was a good student and I know how to do everything, I guess, but we'll see how they turn out. This part reminds me of witchcraft, how they mix different things to make a potion to do something magic related. Okay, I'll just shut up and let you enjoy this therapeutic fluid art. With this, my room is finally complete, and soon I'll upload another video in which I'll give you guys the entire room reveal, show the before and after, and give you guys a proper room tour. So stay tuned. I'll see you soon. Bye.